Welcome to Mr. Wong's English Classroom. I'm your English teacher for today, Mr. Wong Tian Yong. So today we are going to focus at Get Smart Plus 3 Module 2 Everyday, Lesson 11, and you can find it in your textbook page 16 or 17. The learning standards for today will be focusing on speaking and listening skill. So by the end of the lesson, you are expected to be able to ask simple questions using do and does and respond to the do and does questions asked by a friend correctly. So later we'll be doing more of a speaking and listening activities. Before we continue to the story that we are going to learn today, let's look at some vocabulary that you need to learn. So you look at this picture. What are they doing? What are they doing? They are going up to a bus, or you can say they take the bus. Alright, please repeat after me. Take the bus. Take the bus. Take the bus. So next, how about this one? What is this person doing? Drive. Repeat after me. Drive. Drive. He's driving a car. Drive. Next, what is the boy doing? Walk. 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 Do you walk to school? So we'll look at the next one. What is this? They are on a train. Yes, so they take the train. Repeat after me. Take the train. Take the train. So now we are going to watch and listen to a story in your textbook, page 16. Now let's watch together and listen to the conversation.
Hey, Anna, come with us. My dad always drives me to school.
Thank you.
Do you always take the bus to school, Anna?
Yes, I do. My mum doesn't drive.
Look, there's Jenny and Billy. They always walk to school. Hey, there's Susie. She always rides her bike to school.
Hi, Greg.
So that's the end of the story. So now, let's take a look at your textbook page 16 and let's read the text together. Hey Anna, come with us. My dad always drives me to school. Thank you. Do you always take the bus to school, Anna? Yes, I do. My mom doesn't drive. Look, there's Jenny and Billy. They always walk to school. Hey, there's Susie. She always rides her bike to school. Hi, Greg. So that's the end of the story. We've done learning the story and now we are moving on to our listening and speaking activity. So we are going to learn how to ask questions using do and does. So as you can see here, we'll start with do. So when it comes to do, we will use either I, you, we, they to start with. A lot of people, for example, we can use Ali and David. Do is used for plural, for many people, right? For I, for you. Do you walk to school? So this is the part where we put in the mode of transportation. 放进去什么活动 Okay, and then this is how you answer. For this part, it's answering saying yes, 是对的. Yes, I do. The do is the same as the first part, do. And if it's no, 不是的话, you answer don't. Don't with the N apostrophe T. With the N apostrophe T here. Telling people, okay, no, not me, I'm not using that kind of transportation. Okay, 拒绝的意思，告诉人家不是我。Okay, so this is for do. And for does, it's for one person, he or she. Does he take the bus to school? If it's yes, so focus on this one. Yes, he does. So you can see if it's positive. 如果是对的话 yes 的话，它的答案是跟前面第一个是一样的 just like do and do. So this one does and does. But if it's negative, if it's no, then she doesn't. So as you can see, the N apostrophe T is there. 你看到吗？两个不管是 do 还是 does， 只要不是的话，它都有这个 N apostrophe T， 说明就是不是的意思。Alright, and now we are going to practice to ask and answer question using this table that I showed you. Alright, let me just erase all the ink on slide. Okay, so this is how you can ask questions. So the one that I highlighted in red are the ones that I will do for you, and you will need to try answer it using the cues given to you. These are some of the words you can make use of to answer. Okay, so for example, I'll do the first part, asking you a question. So you have to look at this one. Do, you have to start using do. If it's does, you have to start using does. You have to use the correct pronoun. Okay, so for example, do you take a train to school? So what would you answer if it's yes? So what's the answer? Answer is yes, I do. Yes, I do. So this is the answer. Did you get it correct? The next one. Does she take a bus to school? Does he take a bus to school? So how should you respond? It should be no. It should be no. So the correct answer should be no, he doesn't. No, he doesn't. No, he doesn't. Alright, did you get it right? And for the next 3 questions, you are going to ask the question, and then I'm going to answer to your question. So, can you try to do a question here? Do can refer to the template above it. So did you get it correct? Let's see and listen to the exact answer. Do you ride a bike to school? Or you can use do they ride a bike to school? So I will answer yes. If it's you, yes, I do. If it's yes, if you use they, yes, they do. Yes, they do. So I hope you try to guess how to make use of all this, okay? So the next one, do again. So look at this table. This table is helping you, so you can try to make use of this table to ask your question. Do, right? Let's listen to the answer. Do you can use you or they drive to school or drive to work? So I have to answer to you, no. No, I don't. Or no, they don't. No, I don't. Or no, they don't. So this table is actually helping you to get the answers correct. So refer to the table carefully. Okay? Last one. Hopefully you get this correct as well. Alright? Please ask the question. Does. Do you get it? Now let's look at the answer. Does. It can be does he or she ride a bike to school? Does he, she ride a bike to school? So my answer is yes, he does. Yes, she does. Yes, he does. Or yes, she does, depending on whether you use he or she. Even when you ask using a name of a person is accepted. For example, does Jackson ride a bike to school? Does Julie ride a bike to school? Using a name is also accepted. So how many questions do you get it correct as you listen and as you speak? How many questions do you get it correct? You can type your answers, how many questions you get it correct in the comment box below. Hope to see your answer, okay? Now come to the very end of our lesson for today, and I hope to see you in our next video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like my Facebook page at Playing Education. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel to hit the notification bell to get the latest information for my videos. See you next time. Bye!